At 6:30, a warning to people in the area of the Blodgett Peak Open Space that a lot of trees are going to be coming down over the next couple of weeks.
Part of the open space burned during the Waldo Canyon fire, so why cut trees when there are efforts to bring trees back? Bill Folsom went to Blodgett Peak to find out. He's back in studio. Bill.
Yeah, the northeast side of the fire, right in the area of Blodgett Peak. That's where the fire was stopped. Foresters say what remains is unhealthy and a fire danger. The solution, they say, is cutting and thinning. Blodgett Peak Open Space, a favorite outdoor destination on the west side of Colorado Springs.
This is the Mecca if you want to bike and hike, and I do all those things.
At the entrance, a lot of trees. Further up, the aftermath of the Waldo Canyon fire is very evident.
If you look south, it's still a barren wasteland. I mean, some of it, of course, has grown in, but you still have a lot of dead, burnt trees there.
It's a bunch of just sticks, honestly. There's a little bit of like forestation like starting on the ground, but other than that, you can definitely tell that it's been wiped out.
You just wonder, after, what is it, 5-6 years, if it's going to ever come back.
The burn scar meets up with the remaining thick stands of trees, and now a lot of those trees are coming down.
I don't really understand if it's finally starting to grow back. Why are you going to cut down? Like, what good does that do?
A legitimate question Colorado Springs city foresters want people to understand.
It just makes sense then to do that, even though we have burn scars right next to each other.
What looks just fine to some, foresters say is too thick and a fire danger. That doesn't change because another fire burned nearby. The plan is leaving the largest and healthiest trees and thinning the undergrowth. At first, it will look drastic, but typically fills in within a season. The goal is a fire and infestation-resistant open space.
So as long as the trees are healthy, where they're not competing as hard with other trees around it, there's less chance for insects and diseases to get in the canopies.
Most regulars to the area say they get it.
I've just got to trust that the folks that are in charge know what they're doing.
There is a reason this is happening now. It is better for this work to happen in the winter because frozen ground protects the soil and the grasses that are underneath the trees. Elizabeth?
Bill?